To his name, and his partner is Mr. D. Juneja, lined up against Ramesh Sharma and R.K. Bansal. Ramesh Sharma and R.K. Bansal have just defeated Colonel Mehta and Ombir in semi-final, and now this will be final. They are testing the shuttle. Ram Lakhan's journey started, and when he was just 20 years of age, and school championship he has won, and won a medal there, and got a service in electricity board because of that. And then the journey of successes, medals and everything started, and international visits, everything. First point, Ramesh Sharma serves to a great interception by R.K. Bansal and gets a point. 2-love in favor of Ramesh. Ramesh Sharma serves to Juneja, and backcourt given by Juneja. Backcourt reply could not be negotiated well, and third consecutive point to them, Ramesh Sharma and R.K. Bansal. Very good net reply by R.K. Bansal. Net soft touch gets him a point. Very good backhand stroke by R.K. Bansal, but equally well negotiated by Juneja and gets a point. Ram Lakhan serves. Unfortunately, goes in the back lines, back tram lines. There's some controversy. Who? Yes, it was in backcourt only. Wrong service. Now Bansal serves backcourt service to Ram Lakhan. Ram Lakhan gives a net reply, drop, then again a drop. Then Ramesh Sharma gives a very good drop in the middle of the net between these two players. Good service by Ramesh, and very good, beautiful cross-court backhand stroke by Ram Lakhan. Gets him an immediate point. They could not move even. ठीक ठीक ठीक. Ramesh Sharma serves to Ram Lakhan. Low serve. Ramesh Sharma serves, low serves to Juneja. Juneja gives a reply, very good reply, backcourt reply by Juneja. Then a smash, middle court smash, very well negotiated by R.K. Bansal. Backcourt toss, but just lands outside, and Ram Lakhan and Juneja get a point. Juneja serves to Ramesh and gets a quick point. हाँ वो भी जब आएगा शुरू करेंगे ना. जो Bansal serves, low serve, good reply by Ramesh Sharma, and Ram Lakhan gives also good mid court push. Juneja gives a toss, backcourt toss, and very good reply, flat reply, and get a point. It was Juneja's reply which fetched the point. Now, a change of shuttle demanded by Ram Lakhan. Shuttle being tested. Ram Lakhan serves, backcourt serve, but good reply came and Juneja could not negotiate on his backhand. This is a half time water break and a strategic timeout. All four are excellent players. Ramesh Sharma serves, low serve, forehand serve, and good reply by Ram Lakhan, and a good backhand toss by Ramesh, and again a toss by Juneja, again a net reply and net drop. Beautiful net drop by Juneja, very well placed, and gets a immediate point. Juneja serves to Ramesh, and reply just went out of the sidelines. Juneja serves, good serve and good reply, but that quick exchange could not be negotiated by Ramesh Sharma. Juneja gives service and a very good backhand backhand shot by Juneja. Oh, good. It was an interruption tried by Juneja, but just went in net. Ramesh Sharma serves to Ram Lakhan. Juneja gives backcourt reply. Ram Lakhan gives a smash, half smash. Juneja gives a half court push, but net court reply by Ramesh. Good smash by Juneja, could not be negotiated by Bansal. Ram Lakhan serves, low serve. It was a good serve, but equally well tackled by Bansal. Bansal serves and a good reply by Ram Lakhan on the backhand of Ramesh. He could not just tackle it. Juneja serves to Ramesh. Ramesh sent the no. Judge says it is inside and Ramesh gets the point. Some controversy. Ram Lakhan is objecting that it was outside. Now they are demanding one more line judge. Ramesh serves to Juneja. Good serve, good reply. Then again a good placing by Juneja and a good interception and net kill by Juneja. Ram Lakhan serves, good reply, then a reply, then Ramesh Sharma, mid-court push by Ramesh, but it was within the range of Ram Lakhan and he immediately puts a half smash, gets a point. Good serve by Ram Lakhan and very well negotiated by Ramesh Sharma, very good reply. In doubles, service and service replies are the most important. Ramesh Sharma was little out of footwork, could not reach. Juneja serves low serve. Ramesh smashes, but RK Bansal's reply goes out of the court, out of the sidelines. Juneja serves to Ramesh, but Ramesh put it in the net. Juneja serves to it was a good serve and a good reply, and then a good reply by Ramlakhan. Could not be well defended by RK Bansal, goes out of the court. June- Ramesh preparing to serve to Juneja, good reply by Juneja, and tried to kill on net, but little split setting late by Juneja and put it in the net. Ramesh serves, and very nice return by Ramlakhan and equally well negotiated by them. Ramesh tries to give a deft reply, but just landed in a net. Ramlakhan serves, good serve, good reply. Juneja gives a high toss return, and then a net return after a high toss, and they won the first game. Ramlakhan and Juneja win, but it was a very well contested game. Both the both the pairs are very nice and very good players. Have lots of experiences behind them. They all are international level players who have gone to different countries to represent their country. RK Bonsal has also gone to Korea and other, and Ram Lakhan keep going to many countries. Ramesh and Juneja are also very professional players. Reach every competition. Second game about to start. Juneja preparing to serve to RK Bansal. Waiting for the umpire to give signal. Umpire gives signals. It was a little loose service by Juneja and killed by RK. Wrong service by Ramesh. Good smash by Bansal, equally well defended, and a lucky net cord got by Ram Lakhan and Juneja. That whole sound is just interrupting the concentration of players. Very good service reply by RK Bansal gets a point. Bansal serves, and very good reply by Ramesh and Bansal. Very good attacking play shown by Ramesh and RK Bansal. Good service, good reply, but Ramesh just could not. Little desperation shown by RK, but it happens. Ramesh, forehand serve, low serve, good reply by RK Bansal, and very good cross court return. Flat drive by RK Bansal gets point. Ramesh Sharma serves to Juneja, and good smash by RK Bansal, and a very good reply by Bansal, backward reply, and Ramesh could not negotiate that reply. Ram Lakhan. Oh, net Net reply by Juneja, but immediately Ramesh hopped and killed it. Oh, serve, wrong serve by Ramesh, unfortunately. Very good net exchanges are going on, and RK Bansal tries to smash, but it puts it in the net. It was not that difficult, but it happens sometime. Change of shuttle being demanded by RK Bansal. Shuttle being tested by Juneja. No, it has started. Good serve, good net exchanges, fast net exchanges. But this cross-court reply could not be negotiated by RK Bansal. Juneja to serve to Bansal. Good serve, good reply. Again, good reply by Ramlakhan. But Ramesh put it in the net. Juneja to serve to Ramesh. Good service, forehand serve, low serve. And low reply by Ramesh. Net reply by Ramlakhan. But could not be negotiated well by Ramesh. Juneja to serve. Very good reply by RK Bansal. Good placing to the sidelines. Bansal serves to Juneja. Good service, good reply. Again a good reply by Ramlakhan. But Ramesh puts it outside. Long. Ramlakhan serve, good reply. Then again a good reply where RK Bansal fetches the point. It was a cross court smash, half smash. Ramesh serves. At the time of service, your feet should not be on line. Sometimes in the heat of moment, you just forget. Half time, water break, strategic timeout for badminton. Score is 11-9 at the half time in favor of Ramlakhan and Juneja. Juneja to serve to Ramesh. In these days, uh, in doubles, always low serve is preferred. But at international level, I've seen mostly low serve is doing backhand low serve is done. Now, very rare international players do a forehand low serve. Serve by Ramesh, well negotiated the serve. Ramlakhan, good reply and a good interception by Juneja and net kill. Juneja serves, forehand low serve, and good reply by Bansal. But and a good reply by Juneja, which could not be negotiated by Ramesh. Good service. It was a good placing net play by Ramlakhan. Could not reach by RK. No mistake, service mistake. Ramesh. Good mid court push by Ramesh Sharma and put it in the net. Good backhand by Ramesh, but reply came to the back court. of R.K. Bansal. He could not negotiate. Lakhan serve, good reply by R.K. Bansal. Then again a reply, but little loose reply by R.K. Bansal, which was immediately killed by Juneja. Ram Lakhan to serve to Romesh. Good service, good reply, and then good placing by Bansal and good net tap by Bansal. Gets them a point. Good contest is going on. Ramesh serves, tried to give flex service and a good flick service. Could not be judged well by Ram Lakhan. Good service and good reply. And this RK, good exchanges are going on. RK Bansal gives net lift back onto the backhand of Juneja.